Accompaniment of the season, let's make the best green rice ever. Hello sweet team, welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. Thank you so much for stopping by. In a clean pot, I will introduce some washed rice. So now I just wash the rice with hot water, and now I will season the rice with some salt and Maggi cube. Then I will add in some stock water. I make use of chicken stock. You can always use any stock water of your choice. Then stir and introduce green bell pepper. So I'm making use of green bell pepper. I just blended the green bell pepper, and after blending, I'm just trimming it out on top of the rice. This is just so amazing. This is going to help us to get green rice recipe, and the outcome is going to be amazing. So guys, I will just trim out the fiber. I'm not going to make use of the fiber. I'm going to get rid of the fiber. I get rid of the fiber, but if you don't want to get rid of the fiber, you can as well add it on your rice like that. It's still going to come out nice, but for me, I just prefer only the juice. So now I will just stir together and get this done. I will just cook this for 5 minutes. I will just cover and let this to turn to cook. So after 5 minutes later, this is what we have. At this point, the rice is cooked. Now I will add in some butter to just grease the rice small to have some oil on the rice. So I will just stir together and then add in my already prepared veggies. So here is the vegetables I'm going to be using. I just finished preparing the veggies. I'll just turn it over the rice, then stir together. Just a simple recipe, and the outcome is just so amazing. Making this rice with this green bell pepper make the rice to come out so amazing. I really enjoy the fact that I use green bell pepper for this recipe. So I just love it, and I love the outcome. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to share the video. Don't forget to drop your thoughts, how you feel about this green bell pepper fried rice recipe, because for me, I just love the outcome. I'm just going to enjoy the rice with assorted pomo. I just finished making the sauce, and I'm just going to add it on top of the food. That is it guys, and I just love it a lot. So this is all about this video. If you enjoy watching, as I said, don't forget to share. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Christmas once again. Happy Christmas. Enjoy your season, and don't forget to share this post. See you in my next one. Let's keep expecting our 2023, because it's going to be bigger, greater, and sweeter than 2022. I love you guys. I love all your support, and I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to send me my Christmas gift too by sending me star, guys. Send your baby girl star. I need star to grow, guys. Send me star. My page is monetized, and I need star to grow. If you enjoy my recipe, please support me with star. I'm so grateful to you all. Bye.